Imagine living in a fairy tale castle, complete with towering spires, grand entranceways, and opulent interiors. In this video, we'll explore the enchanting world of modern luxury castle design and provide you with the inspiration and guidance you need to build your dream home. From medieval-inspired motifs to contemporary interpretations, we'll showcase the latest trends and innovations in castle architecture. We'll also delve into the essential elements that define a luxury castle, including stunning exterior features, lavish interiors, and grand entranceways. So, whether you're dreaming of a fairy tale-like retreat or a sophisticated modern castle, this video has everything you need to bring your vision to life. A luxury castle should be more than just a house. It should be a statement piece that reflects your personal style and taste. Here are some of the essential elements that define a luxury castle. The entranceway is the first thing guests will see, so it's important to make a lasting impression. Consider adding features like a double-height ceiling, ornate chandeliers, and a grand staircase. The interiors of a luxury castle should be just as impressive as the exterior. Think ornate moldings, luxurious fabrics, and high-quality finishes. A luxury castle should have a commanding presence. Consider adding features like turrets, towers, and a moat to give your castle a truly regal appearance. The interior of a modern castle should be as luxurious and inviting as the exterior. Consider incorporating features like high ceilings create a sense of grandeur and spaciousness. A cathedral ceiling or vaulted ceiling can be particularly striking. A fireplace is a classic feature that adds warmth and ambiance. Consider a stone or marble fireplace with a decorative mantelpiece. A grand ballroom is a must-have for any castle. This spacious room can be used for entertaining guests, hosting events, or simply relaxing. Consider adding features like a dance floor, chandeliers, and a stage. A library is another classic feature of a castle. A well-stocked library can provide a quiet and peaceful retreat for reading or studying. Use high-quality materials throughout the castle, such as marble, granite, and hardwood. These materials can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space. Choose furniture that complements the castle's style and creates a sophisticated atmosphere. Antique furniture can add a touch of history and charm, while modern furniture can create a more contemporary feel. While modern castles may have a traditional exterior, the interiors should be equipped with all the comforts of contemporary living. Consider incorporating features like a gourmet kitchen is essential for entertaining guests and enjoying fine dining. Include high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and luxurious countertops. The master bedroom should be a private oasis with a spa-like bathroom and dressing room. Consider adding features like a soaking tub, steam shower, and walk-in closet. A home theater provides a luxurious and immersive entertainment experience. Install a high-quality sound system, comfortable seating, and a large projection screen. A pool and spa area offer a relaxing and rejuvenating retreat. Consider adding features like a hot tub, waterfall, and outdoor kitchen. A modern luxury castle should have a beautiful and inviting exterior that complements the grandeur of the interior. Consider adding features like a well-manicured lawn, adorned with a variety of trees, shrubs, and flowers, can create a peaceful and serene atmosphere. Consider adding a rose garden, a herb garden, or a vegetable patch to enhance the beauty and functionality of your backyard. A fountain, waterfall, or pond can add a touch of elegance and tranquility to your castle's exterior. The sound of flowing water can also create a relaxing and calming ambiance. A stone patio or terrace provides a comfortable and stylish outdoor space for dining, entertaining, or simply relaxing. Consider adding a barbecue grill, outdoor seating, and a fire pit for added comfort and enjoyment. If you're a horse enthusiast, a carriage house or stable can add a touch of historic charm to your property. It can also provide a convenient place to store vehicles or other equipment. To protect your property and ensure your safety, consider installing a security system with cameras, gates, and other features. This can provide peace of mind and deter potential intruders. Building a modern luxury castle is a dream come true for many. By carefully considering the design elements and planning process, you can create a truly unique and unforgettable living space. Want to learn more about luxury home design and architecture? Subscribe to our channel for more informative and inspiring content. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.